Few essential tips for effective business meeting. This presentation is designed to provide few effective tips for business meetings and enable you to organize your work efficiently. Brainstorming meetings are immensely powerful for team building, decision making, creativity, and problem solving. Meetings should essentially solve the purpose of making decisions, solving problem, conveying or clarifying policy issue, planning or generating ideas. Now, let us take a look at the basic understanding of an effective business meeting. First, company uses business meeting to evaluate company's information or to set up new operating principles. Second, most meetings are initiated by management and time is spent helping employees understand the company financial health or operations. Undoubtedly, meetings are very important for smooth functioning of an organization. Now, let us see what are the characteristics of an effective meeting. How can you plan in advance to ensure that your meetings are effective, productive, and worthwhile? With proper planning and preparation, any meeting can be effective and enjoyable. Meetings have several functions. They give members a chance to discuss and evaluate goals and objectives and keep updated on current events, provide a chance to communicate and keep the group cohesive. But most of all, meetings allow groups to pull resources together for decision making. If the facilitator starts with a careful plan and finishes with a thorough follow up, the meetings will run smooth. The meetings have a comprehensible purpose and should stick to the agenda. The meeting must start and end on time. The participant must be properly prepared. Minutes of the meeting should be noted down carefully. Now, meetings are associated few common problems. A common problem associated with any kind of meeting is that participants should up cold and are unprepared to address the issue and it bogs down the meeting. Solution to avoid arrival of problem in the meeting are organizing and distributing agenda well in advance, sharing the background data and information before the meeting, making assignment to do research and gather data or even just think about an issue. Few basic tips to kept in mind for effective business meetings are: arrival at the meeting in time. Arrive at the meeting location at least 15 minutes earlier so that you can prepare yourself and be seated comfortably. Defining agenda of the meeting clearly. The chairperson of the meeting should circulate a meeting agenda to every participant at least 1 week in advance. Be prepared before coming for the meeting. Each participant should come to the meeting with all of the materials and data required to understand the theme of the meeting. Breaks. Breaks after every 2 hours should be allowed in the meeting. Breaks should be 20 minutes long and meal breaks should be 30 minutes long. Attire. The facilitator of the meeting should signify what kind of attire is required for the meeting, either business casual or business formal, and participants should strictly adhere to that rule. Speaking. Keep the mind organized by only speaking when you have the floor. Do not interrupt someone while they are speaking or asking a question. Listen carefully to the meeting and take notes. Cell phone and laptops. Turn off your cell phone prior to the start of the meeting unless laptop computers have been approved for the meeting. Turn it off and lower down the screen. Now, let us understand how to prepare well for a meeting. It involves defining the purpose of the meeting and the outcome, that is this solely an information meeting or a decision need to be made? Solicit input from members or any other topics that need to be discussed. Developing an agenda with time frames taking into consideration any outside parties coming to speak and the relevant priority of agenda items. Distributing the agenda before the meeting. Sending any relevant information or information participant of any unnecessary preparation required to meet the meeting purpose. During the meeting, greet members during the meeting. Greet members and make them feel welcome. Introduce any new member or visitor to the team. Start on time, end on time, review the agenda and set priorities for the meeting and stick to the agenda. Now, let us understand what is the consensus decision making. Consensus decision making is a decision making process that not only seek the agreement of most participants but also to resolve the objection of the minority to achieve the most agreeable decision. It does not need to be everyone's first choice. Consensus decision making is the most widely used method, but councils will also using voting to break an impasse. Ending a meeting. End on time or before. Thanks all members for attending. Summarize decision made to avoid misunderstanding later. Review action items handed out to council members. Ensure members know when next meeting is, and follow up with minutes shortly after the meeting. Now, let us understand the minute taking. Minutes are the official record of the event. It includes the time, date, place, and names of attendees, and the exact wording of motion naming mover and second. It maintains the individual privacy. Official opposition to the course of action must be recorded. Minutes are adopted and signed off at the following meeting. Thank you.